welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to test the internet speed on your computer. So if you also want to test the internet speed on your computer, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there are many ways through which you can test the internet speed. In this video, I'll teach you the simplest method. What you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in speed test.net. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Speed Test. Here you can see the option for Go. All you have to do is click on it. It will take a while. First of all, it will check the download speed. You can see over here it is detecting. And then it will start checking the upload speed. You can see over here the speed is being checked. Now after the test is completed, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the results. You can see the download speed over here. You can see the upload speed over here. This value is in Mbps. Greater this value, more will be the internet speed of your computer. You can also see other informations regarding your network over here. So that is how you test the internet speed on your computer. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.